Zunibotole District Planning and Development Board meeting thakya homoy VBG Ramji scheme opor District Rural Development Agency pra presentation dishi aro scheme laga objective strategy do aro scheme pra kiniga rural area de thagya manukhan ge modat dibu etu laga jankari dishi eligible rural household karne etu scheme pra 150 din laga wage employment annually guarantee di ase tade 318 categories laga kam thagi ase manukhan pa etu majude ki kam kuribole parbo aro nijor laga livelihood to bhal kurigina jabule parbo kurigina junaise DPDP chairman Daram Rajkun Zunibotole laga deputy commissioner bi ase taipa DPDP meeting chair kurigina VB Gram G scheme aro alak mamla opor khota krishe inika hoigina meeting de board laga nutun manukhan ge swagat kurigina development proposal khan sarkar laga agide anibole kane khota kurigina jaise
in charge of A and B Alcoca. Parade 2IC, we have informed DEF Zanaboto. Preparation of fair flag post and selecting best. SP. Overall supervision of parade, also SP Zanaboto. Number 5, putting out of Shamiana at DC's residence and local ground. That will be looked after by AAR Zanaboto. Number 6, decoration of rostrum and seating arrangement at local ground. That will be in charge of Zanaboto Government College, DIE, and District Program Manager, NHM. And for number 7, we have whitewashing and painting of rostrum. That will be done by SDO Housing. And number 8, erection of flag posts around the ground. That will be looked upon by EEPHED. Electrification, E-Power. Number 10, maintenance of local ground. That will be looked after by, jointly looked after by EPWD, RNB, SDO Mechanical, ZPC and deposits, DB headquarter deposits. That will be for number 10. And number 11, water supply at local ground and DC residents, NGA South. In charge, SDO, PHED. Publicity and photo coverage, DPRO. Preparation of flag banner, AEO. And refreshment at rostrum on 15th of August. That will be looked upon by again DRDA, Water Resource Department, and Power Department. And serial number 15, we have refreshment. That is for a parade practice. So we will be having this 7 days of parade practice. And also on the main day, that is on the 15th of August. So we have categorized that wise. That is, our parade will be starting on the 6th, and which will end on 13th. That will be the final rehearsal. So for the first day, we have veterinary and sericulture. We'll be looking after their parade contingents for their refreshment. That is on the 6th. And on the 7th, we have treasury officer. And for that area, we have district transport officer. And since that 9 is Sunday, and again on Monday, that is on the 10th, we'll have DEO and SDEO. And on the 11th, we have DSCO and Texas. And on the 12th, we have GM, DIC, and NST. And on the final day of rehearsal, we have DPO planning and tourism. We'll be looking after the refreshment. And on the main day, it is on the 15th of May 2026, horticulture and CMO office will be looking after the refreshment for a parade contingent. And construction of welcome gate, DFO, parade inspection vehicle will be provided by SP, medical coverage, MS, Civil Hospital, Zanaboto. And we have, this time we have 14 parade contingents. That is number 1, ex-servicemen, 1 contingent, DEF, Zanaboto, 8 NFP Naltoka, Grand Party 8AR, Government College, NCC, Government Higher Secondary School, Olympic Higher Secondary School, Emmanuel Higher Secondary School, Woodland Higher Secondary School, Cornerstone Higher Secondary School, NCC, Bloomfield Hill Higher Secondary School, San Antonio High School, 7 home high school boys, as well as 7 home high school girls. So we have 14 parade contingent in total. And for the exhibition stall, We have Agri and Allied Department, including BPO and Resource, and also APMA. And compares we will have from Janamatu Government College, and as well as the visitation. For the civil hospital, we have selected ZCCI to visit the civil hospital, and SBI main branch for the district jail, and social welfare department for orphanage home, Sukhalu. An entertainment program and cultural items, district cultural officer. State lunch preparation will be looked after by district administration. Prize distribution, also district administration. Meeting of retreat, DEF. And exhibition match this time will be played between DC 11 versus Suli Hoho 11. In charge, DSO and Deputy Youth Resource Officer, Zenopoto. And overall supervision, Sri Sukalu Chishi, SDO Civil, Zenopoto. Distribution of suites at the parade ground, statistical department, employment, ARCS, and regulation will be looking after the distribution of suites at the parade ground. And the tribal escort in charge at Tubashi. So NB, final rehearsal parade will be on the 13th of August at 1 p.m. Ground maintenance to be completed on or before 13th of August 2026. And all concerned departments are requested to complete their assigned work by 13th of August 2026. Thank you.
Thank you so much. DDO wise category, 2 categories have been in that. Registration fee has to be submitted by 21st August 2026. Players list has to be submitted to my PS Avika or Shri Neoship LDA DC office before the 11th September 2026. The final fixture will be drawn on 15th September 2026. All the departments have to participate in at least 2 categories out of the 6 events. So first entry in every discipline will be free. An extra fee of 1000 per team for badminton and rupees 500 per team for other events will be charged. There will be no restriction on the number of participating teams per department, but I want the good quality participation and good competition, healthy competition. Points will be tallied as per the points mentioned. So overall, the gold medal will be decided number of 10 points, and then silver for 7 semi-finals for